what's up, y'all? I'm Saweetie, and today I'm gonna show you one way to make the Saweetie meal.
Man, you gotta love Saweetie, right? She is just killing the content game. You know, I made a video about her quite a while ago. Earlier this year, I made a video about her and her ability to just market. And you know what? She used her social media as a means to attract brands to her brand and her business, because of the way she makes great content on social media. Everybody's approaching her now to make content. Now she just did this partnership with McDonald's, and it's great content. It's stuff that you just want to watch, you want to consume it, and I'm going to react to it. Let's check it out.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Saweetie, and today I'm gonna show you one way to make the Saweetie meal. All right, y'all, so for step one, I'm gonna add some fries into my McNugget box. And then you're gonna take your McNuggets and arrange them nicely on top, like so. And then I'm gonna hook it up with some sweet and sour sauce. Oh my gosh. And I can't forget the tangy barbecue sauce. It's gonna feel like firecrackers in your mouth. It's explosive. There you have it.
Very cute commercial. I saw this commercial on TikTok. I saw it on YouTube, and I believe I also saw it on Instagram. Like, McDonald's is, promoting this thing everywhere. And first of all, the first thing that stands out is vertical video, which is essential if you're trying to advertise to people on smartphones to shoot in vertical video. Not only is it vertical video, but it was also shot on an iPhone, or at least a smartphone, because you can tell the quality of it it's not high quality, but it does the job. It makes it relatable. The reason why it stood out to me when I saw it on TikTok is because it looked like a TikTok. I thought it was a TikTok, but no, it was McDonald's, pushing an ad that was essentially a TikTok. I say this, right, and I say it all the time. TikToks, Reels, YouTube Shorts, these are all adverts. If you're a brand, you should be creating engaging and compelling content out of TikToks, IG Reels, just the way McDonald's has. It looks like people will consume it the same way they would consume a regular TikTok. This is I honestly feel like right now, in this era, if you're a brand, you have a better chance, a better opportunity to reach your consumers and reach the people that you're trying to target. So 2 lessons here. The first lesson is for creators. If you're a creator, you should, and you want to get more, you want to monetize as a creator, you want to get brand sponsorships, you should follow in Saweetie's footsteps and make content. Makes these spec ads. That's what they're called, right? These spec ads, but it's really content marketing. Make something engaging and interesting and different that could serve as an ad, but also serves as an ad and also serves as great content. When you confuse the two in 30 seconds, you're going to have a lot more brands be attracted to you versus the other 50 million creators there are in the world. Obviously, your following is important. How many followers you have is super important. But other than that, if you can really stand out, the way Saweetie stands out from any other female rapper, any other musician, in my opinion, nobody is creating the type of quality content that Saweetie is creating on social media. So even if you're like established and you have millions of followers and you don't have nothing to do with like being a content creator, but you're a musician and you just happen to make great content too, look at what Saweetie's doing. Another great person is Jason Derulo, and I'll do a review on him. He's definitely brand friendly. So there are 2 people to look at. So that's that. But to be honest, I'm gonna, maybe I should compare and contrast them, because I feel like Jason Derulo is an actual TikToker, whereas Saweetie is a marketer. She is a genius storyteller, and she's pushing out great content marketing with brands. So that's a lesson for you if you're a content creator. But if you're a brand, if you're an entrepreneur and you want to figure out how to make interesting content for your brand, approach influencers like Saweetie, look for influencers that are making engaging content like Saweetie, because you're going to stand out. People are going to pay attention to the content that you're making because of this creative person has put together this genius idea that fits into her following that is a massive following. So these are the types of creators that you should really approach if you're a brand and you want to get more visibility and you want to, you know, get out there. And even if you're a smaller brand, you don't have to target someone that is huge like Saweetie or someone that has hundreds of thousands of followers. Even micro influencer, someone that with 1,000, nano influencer, someone with 1,000 followers, their posts could get 5,000 views on a reel, let's say 1 to 5,000 views on a reel, right? So if you make something engaging with that influencer, you can still get a lot of eyeballs on your content. So don't limit yourself to big creators. Look at those nanos, because those nano influencers, not only are they quite impactful, they'll charge less. You can get more of them to do it. And they actually have a higher rate of engagement in terms of, I'll put the numbers down, but their reach in terms of percentages or in terms of rates is almost even more than a bigger influencer, but not in numbers. But if you can get 10 or 20 micro influencers, you pay them less than $50 each, you can get potentially the same type of reach that you would get with someone with 100,000 followers. So that's something to think about. That's a strategy. Ooh, I'm giving you guys keys. That's a strategy. So another thing, when you look at Saweetie, which I find really interesting, is she made it into a headline. It's just genius. The Shade Room posted it. She posted it on her thing, and the Shade Room posted it. How did she make it into a headline? So she's done this partnership with McDonald's, and she went to McDonald's and was serving food, and she posted herself in McDonald's serving food. Headlines. Look at this big rapper, serving food at McDonald's, which most people a lot of people in the Black community, work at McDonald's. It's relatable. It's a headline, and it's compelling content. It gets you watching. So for McDonald's, they've paid her, I don't even know how much they paid her, but it's probably a lot of money, because the kind of creativity and the kind of exposure that she's giving them from not only, number one, creating this interesting reel, but number two, creating headlines around their brand. This on the Shade Room, it has 600,000 likes. Let's watch it.
Do you work here?
Huh?
Do you work here?
Does it look like I work here?
Kind of. That's your name, right?
Ooh.
That's cute. And she's out here at McDonald's serving food. It's just great content marketing. Guys, look at Saweetie as an example of how to do content marketing. She really knows what she's doing. Yeah. So anyway, that's my twist. That's my take. Let me know what you guys think about this. Please do leave a comment down below. And you see, photo shoot. She's wearing McDonald's stuff. She's done a high quality photo shoot with McDonald's. She's also done, a day in the life at McDonald's. Her working at McDonald's. Look at her back there, putting some fries, handing out a Saweetie meal. I don't really technically eat McDonald's like that, but I would go try the Saweetie meal because she's cool and she's packaged herself with it, and it kind of gives McDonald's its cool factor back, because I feel like it lost it. It's not like in the early 2000s with Justin Timberlake doing that pa-da-pa-pa-pa, I'm loving it. It's not the same. But anyway, that's my thoughts. That's my twist. That's my take. Let me know your thoughts. Leave a comment down below. If you're new here, my name is Kenim. Don't forget to follow, subscribe on all socials. And this video is brought to you by Brand Video Pro, an online course that teaches brands and businesses how to increase their influence and sales. Link is down below. Go check that out. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on Instagram, it's in our bio. Ooh, and that's everything I got to say. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below also. And see you in the next one. My name is Kenim. Peace.